Welcome to the new video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get this Venmo cake top hat, guys. This is a free UGC, completely free, 0 Robux. You're going to be able to apply it to your account. I'm going to be teaching you exactly how. So it's going to be in this game right here, linked in the description. And once you join, it's going to give you a welcome message. Just press play. And okay, walk forward to this little cache area and we'll start a little bit of a cinematic part. So once you have done that, you're gonna grab a card. Just choose any card, doesn't matter. Then you're gonna walk forward to another NPC, this one over here on the left, and you're gonna press, oh, it's gonna maybe give you this. You're just gonna want to press 50 and press cancel, and then it's gonna give you a NPC and it's gonna say, now you find the 3 hidden Venmo records and purchase using your Venmo balance. So now guys, we're gonna be looking for a Venmo record that looks exactly like this one shown on screen. Alright, so let's go around the map and look for it. Alright guys, so we found our first record. We're gonna press F to redeem it, and it's gonna cost a little bit of money. If you don't have any money in your account, just go wait in the soccer area in the map to get some money. And you guys can get the scooter if you want. There's a scooter you can get to move around the map faster, but the only drawback is you have to join their group for that. So once you have all 3 records, you need to go back to the NPC. Boom. Alright, we got all 3 records now. Now we need to talk to the NPC, and it's giving an arrow that we can follow. So let's go forward and interact with this NPC. Congratulations on finding all 3 of the Venmo records. Continue, enjoy 100 XP. You're one step closer to getting your UGC. Perfect, so now all we need to do is AFK in the soccer area, and once we have $250 cash, we just need to press this little UGC circle. It's going to be restocked in about 5 minutes or so, in a few minutes or so, so I'm just going to wait for that to be done. Perfect guys, now we can claim it. All we need to do is press 250 and the white button, and we have it now on our account, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, and if you want to get some free Robux in the next video, comment your Roblox username. I'm going to be sending out Robux to a bunch of different users who comment their Roblox username.